Just relaxing, watching YouTube videos. Nothing to bother me today. Huh? Who's crying? Why are you crying, Angry Bird?
I want my comics.
No, they're my comics.
I want it!
Fine. I'll let you borrow one. Okay. Here you go.
Okay.
You better return it to me. Okay. You know what? After what that psychopath did yesterday. Oh, crap! Oh, okay. Thanks.
Just shut up!
You scared me.
I said shut up!
Okay. I'll put my comic back.
I play Call of Duty, Sonic.
Okay.
No, I shoot all guys.
Okay.
Yes. I need you.
Yeah. Now I can go back to watching my YouTube videos. What are you doing down there anyway? What are you doing? Well, never mind. Let's go back to watching some YouTube videos. Now I can relax.